everybody. I'm gonna get some at the vending machine. I'm gonna get some corn soup. It's hot. It's a little bit hot. No take backs.
Hey everybody, welcome to Boo Bradley in Japan, and today William is trying a corn and cheese soup out of the vending machine. So, everybody, he's about to drink some corn and cheese soup from the vending machine.
But it's not really cheesy, yeah.
Yeah, mine wasn't like that way, but I'm gonna assume.
I think it's the same.
Okay, I'm gonna assume it's gonna taste the same, but we shook yours up, so let's see.
I think you didn't shake
There we go. So remember to pull the cap a little far back. All right.
It's cheese inside like that.
It does look like there's cheese inside.
Folks, cheese is great.
Yeah. All right. How's it
It's the
taste?
same. It's the same. It smells. It tastes like corn.
Tastes like corn. Good. What kind of unique vending machine drinks have you guys had in your lifetime?
Hey, wait. That's
Yeah.
they just made it with that. See, there's some more ingredients.
There are, isn't there?
There's more ingredients.
It says there's onion, cheese, corn.
So
Look, it says that there's corn in there. There's cheese.
But the cheese is just the ingredients.
That's
to
right.
Make it.
Yeah. William, I wanted to ask you a question. You just recently lost a tooth, right? Yeah. Can you show the people? Yeah. There you go. How did that feel, losing your first tooth?
Good.
It felt good?
There's one more loose tooth.
There's one more? Okay. Let's not touch them. Yep. All right. So, you guys remember losing your teeth when you guys were growing up? Yeah. Did you guys ever put the string in the door and pull the tooth loose? Yeah. How did you lose your tooth, William? Where were you? Do you remember?
When I was at school and I was eating lunch, it fell off.
It fell off? Oh, so you bit down into something?
Yeah, I think I don't know. Remember how it came off?
Were you crying?
No.
Oh, wow. Me, I was crying when I was a kid. By the way, have you received anything from the Tooth Fairy yet? The Tooth Fairy.
The
Yeah.
tooth fairy didn't come because they didn't get the teeth out from
Oh, where are you supposed to put the tooth?
the paper. Well, it was wrapped up at school because the teacher did it, and so I didn't notice. She thought we have to wrap it up and keep it inside, but she didn't come. The tooth fairy didn't come
Tooth Fairy didn't come.
because she didn't smell it.
Oh, because it was wrapped up in a paper bag, right? And where was it put, under your pillow or above your pillow?
Under.
So, going back to not receiving your gift or present from the Tooth Fairy is because it was wrapped in a paper bag and was put underneath your pillow, but the Tooth Fairy couldn't smell it, so your tooth is still at home, right? All right. Well, you know what? Let's see if the Tooth Fairy will smell your tooth and take your tooth tonight, okay?
But when there's one more tooth loose, it's gonna.
Oh, do you want to wait so you'll get double?
So what if I wait
Mhm.
and then go to the.
I know. If you wait for both of them, then you'll get double the rewards.
So I'll get 2 coins.
That's right. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we'll do. All right. Thanks, everybody, for watching our father-son talk about the Tooth Fairy. So, enjoying some of this nice corn tea. Tea? Not corn tea. Corn soup. Yeah. All right, William. What do you want to say to our nice subscribers who watch our video and comment and enjoy watching our quality show? What do you have to say to them? You know, how about we appreciate your support. Thank you guys very much. And we look forward to reading your comments below in this video. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Good job, William. High five. Well done.